Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate product title and descriptions for furnitures inside Google Sheets using AI. And you can use AI models like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, etc. And everything inside Google Sheets without using any third-party tools. As you can see that I have a bunch of products, or rather furnitures: sofa, bed frame, TV stand, bookshelf, etc. And all the products have additional data points like brand, model name, key features, color, material, room, style, dimensions, pricing. And based on that, I want to create a product title and product description here. So I've already written the prompt that I'll be giving AI, and in return, I would want the output from AI here and here. So let's see that. At first, you need this script. It calls the OpenAI or Claude or whatever AI model you are using. It brings it right inside Google Sheets, and then you can use it and instruct it to do anything you want. So I have already set up the script inside Google Sheets in here, app script section, and next you just have to do the setup. So at first, this is the prompt. Let me show you the prompt. This is a detailed prompt, and I'm just saying that write 100 character SEO friendly product title using the following product information. And these are the product information. This is a dynamic prompt. Product type A2, which is coming from here, then brand B2 and C2 and so on. Then some additional instructions like the title should be under like 100 characters and capitalize each word except prepositions, and articles be clear, readable, and straight, right? And this is the prompt for the description. So I'm just saying that write a professional and engaging product description of around 250 words using the following product information. And all the information from these columns are being passed in the prompt here. And there are some additional instructions how to structure, what to include in the prompt, and so on. So as you can see that I'm also writing here, do not use markdown format, right? So this is the prompt, and when you click enter, it will ask you to it will suggest you to do the autofill. You can either click here, then it applies to all these rows, or you can just drag it down, something like this, and it will create unique prompts for all these rows. So yes, one more row is here. I can just drag it down and it generates the prompt. Now you have to go to the settings, and here you will have this multiple options to choose from. For example, this case, I'll be using this OpenAI API. So I already have the API here, and there are like temperature setup, max tokens, system prompts. You can do all that. Then scroll down, and then you'll see you have to add some more information here in order to run it. So in this case, we are working in this sheet called Furniture PD. So I'll just double click on it and then copy exactly as it is. Then put the name here, data sheet name, right? And then in this case, I'm using OpenAI for this. So I selected OpenAI and the model. So either like you can see that the drop down is not here. So either you can get the model name from here like this. I just copied it and pasted it, and it will work. Or you can just drag it down like this and then select the model that you want. For example, 4.1. So 4.1. And then start row and end row. So in this case, obviously we are going to start from the row 2 and then process till row 6. So I'll write just that, 2 till 6. And then it asks for prompt columns and output columns here. So in this case, the first prompt column is K, and I want the output for K in the column L. So I'll write that first, K, and then L, right? And then we have second prompt as well. Second prompt is in the column M, and I want the output in the column N. So I'll write second prompt is in the M, and I want the output in the column N, right? And I don't want to process this row as of now. I just want to process this, which is the furniture PD, which is this sheet here. and you are set up. You just have to come here and then click on this generate and then process sheets button. And since I already have the API set up, it will start working. As you can see here, this is the product title. It will give the product description next, and then so on, so on. And it will keep working. And then the script will automatically stop, or you can manually stop it. For example, if I want to make some more changes in the prompt and I want the output in some specific format, I can edit the prompt and then rerun the script to generate more outputs. For example, if I didn't like this output, I can just delete it and then rerun it. It will just process this and then go on to process the next rows that we have. And within seconds, it will generate the outputs for like all these rows. As you can see, the script got finished here. And if you rerun it, since there are no empty output, it will just immediately finish, because it only works when there are like empty output columns or empty cells in the output columns. So for example, if I didn't like this one, I can delete it. If I didn't like this one, I can delete it as well. And this time I can also use some other model. Let's use Claude. So I selected Claude, and then I have to select the Claude model. So I'll write Claude, and yes, Claude 3.7 Sonnet latest. This is the latest model from Claude, and I can use that as well. So let's go to here and then process, and this time the outputs that you will see will be coming from the Claude model. And all the information in these outputs will be 100% correct, because we are not asking AI to generate the outputs from its own memory, but we are giving AI full context, like all the information that we are giving from here, and then asking it to generate the description or title based on that data only. So the information will be 100% correct. For example, here it mentions 72, 38, 30. So this will be 100% correct. Let's see that. 78, 38, sorry, 72, 38, and 30 inches. This is correct, right? So yes, this is how it works, and I'll provide a link to this script in the description below. You can get it from there. And this is not limited to just generating product descriptions, by the way. You can also generate like maybe a customized invitation or product descriptions or any kind of data that you can generate with AI. So hope this helps, and see you in the next video.